Yes.
Alright, welcome back to Vlogs and Frog. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit on top of MCNEELY Lake and we're gonna lay down. And we're just gonna look up at the sky. Because it's absolutely marvelous out here. And you may be thinking I'm magical, but I'm not. It's actually frozen. It's like 32 degrees right now. It's been pretty cold the past couple of days, usually averaging about 20 or so. So because it's been so cold, the ice has been managed to build an ice cap. And this ice cap is made of ice. So you may be wondering, it's icy, how do things underneath live? Well, fish just survive. They're just born amazing. So they just keep going. Things like turtles will brumate in the mud, and brumation it's kind of like hibernation, but instead of staying dormant for about 3 months, they just kind of slow their body processes down, so they use less energy, they have to do less, they don't hunt as more, they're not as active, they're not seen basking as much. They just stay mellow, but every once in a while they will come out to eat again, hang out, and live their best lives. Things like alligators brumate as well. A lot of reptiles brumate, even things like bearded dragons and whatnot. It's just a state of rest for them. They're just brumating. And get out of here. Today is the time. It is now we must fight back. I live on top of the ice by ice skating and doing whatever it is that I'm doing at any given time. Ooh. What? How far can you go? I said, how far can you go? I said, how far can you go? How far can you go? I said, how far can you go? How far can you go? I said, how far can you go? I said, how far? Ooh, my hand is cold. I can't feel it no more. It might be gone, guys. We might have to do Vlogs and Frogs without it now. I've been here a long time. I've been high a long time. But you know what? Diary, we finished it. We got the edibles. I completed the goal we needed to complete. And now we're here, chilling on a frozen ice cap. Just like we wanted. Because we are awesome. Oh. I'm just quite cold, guys. I hope you enjoyed your time here. I enjoyed my time with you. Hope you enjoyed listening to nature. It's quite magical. You'll never forget it. It will always astonish you. Oh, jeez. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Just